Good morning, everybody. Isn't the sunrise in London just absolutely spectacular? Like, I'm never moving home. Never. Not doing it. So it is a little after 7 in the morning, which may not seem like terrible to you guys, but your girl got under 2 hours of sleep last night because I just came home from Italy yesterday. I know it sounds like I'm complaining. I'm not. I'm just really tired. So today we are heading to Ireland. We are doing kind of like we did in Scotland. We're doing a kind of coach tour, like we're on a bus and we're driving all over Ireland. And I know for sure we're going to Dublin and Galway. So I'm really excited about that because if I really do need to sleep on the bus, I can do that. I really don't want to, but the option is there. And it's gonna be super relaxing. I mean, we're still gonna walk like hella ton. It's not gonna be as bad as having to take public transportation because we have a private coach bus. So right now I'm on my way to the train station to get to the airport to meet everyone because once again, I'm going on a tour. Italy was not on a tour. Italy was by ourselves. And it went okay for the most part. I started out rough, ended better, but it's all about the learning experience. I will see you at the airport. So our flight is canceled due to bad weather, but it's the nicest weather that London has seen in weeks. So our plane got delayed, or no, it got canceled. We were supposed to fly out of Gatwick at 10:30 this morning. It is currently 3 o'clock and we are now at Heathrow, which is like an hour and a half away. They canceled it due to bad weather, even though the weather was kind of gorgeous outside. I guess it was due to fog. I don't know. So we are supposed to get into Dublin at like 5 o'clock now. We were supposed to get in at noon, so we're 5 hours behind. The tour company said they're going to try and get us our money back for the plane tickets. If they can, that'll be amazing. And we're still going to do the tours. It's just a little less time in Dublin. It sucks, but there's nothing you can do about it. I am freaking exhausted, so I am just trying to get as much caffeine in me as possible and wait for the plane and then have a good time in Dublin and then Galway. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, I'm gonna read and just chill until the plane takes off, and that is the update. So it's been a crazy morning, to say the least, and I'm like fried. Alright, so we're finally here in the hostel, and now we're gonna go on a walking tour even though we're 6 hours late. It's like almost 8 o'clock, and I'm exhausted. It's like 9:30 and I am just freaking exhausted and my blisters hurt so bad. I'm already up to like 30,000 steps, which is crazy. So yeah, we walked around and as you can see it was pitch black because we were delayed 6 hours. So we tried to get as much as we possibly could, but everything's pretty much closed now. So we just did some sightseeing. The only thing really here to do is drink, because you know that's what Ireland's kind of about, and I really don't drink. So I just really quickly went to McDonald's, grabbed a bite. I went to Hard Rock, of course. Got me and my aunt a pin. And then I got myself a keychain for my map. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to the hostel and call it a night. Mind you, I did only get an hour of sleep. I've been traveling for the past week. And we have 2 more full days ahead of us. So I figured call it a night, get well rested, and have a good 2 days to make up for today. I'll show you the pins later. I'm kind of sketched out right now because like a guy literally followed me a little bit ago. So I'm trying to get back to the hostel as soon as I can. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. But yeah, he like asked me how I was and I ignored him. And after I ignored him, he proceeded to follow me and like was asking me where I was from and stuff. And I was like, nope, not about it. I said, gotta go. And I ran away. So I'm trying to get back to the hostel, try to get to safety. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of Ireland and hopefully a little more of a smoother day. I just got up and I am about to head out for breakfast. But I never showed you my pins last night, so that's what we're gonna do. Right, so I just got us the same ones. Has the Irish flag, has the Hard Rock on it, says Dublin. And then there's a reward system that you have to put your number in for, but I guess theirs is down. And I guess he felt bad, so he gave me a free thing of Hard Rock playing cards, which is awesome. And then I also got a keychain. It says Dublin, has like their famous bar on here, and then thing of beer, even though I really don't drink. I know if I don't drink 1 beer before I leave, my brother will tell me, but I'm not much of a drinker. Yes, I'm legal here, so don't freak out. Alright, so yeah, I just want to do that. I'm gonna head down to breakfast and we're gonna start our day. We are going to Galway and just kind of sightseeing Ireland. So we are on the coach. No, you're good. We have been on the coach bus for the past 2 hours. I slept the whole time because this has been the sight the whole time, just green fields. We're at like a rest stop now. I just got some like fudge and Diet Coke, but I'm still really tired. I don't know how much longer we have, but hopefully we'll do something soon because I need to like do something or I'm just gonna keep sleeping. lunch now, and I got some chowder and chicken, and we're in a little pub called, I think it's called Dublin, Ireland, and they recommended the chowder, so I'm gonna try it. Alright, so the town we're in is super small, like literally just the street, and I just got some fudge that was recommended by our tour guide. I got a slice of peanut butter, and now I'm gonna go check out the shop that is right there, because it's literally just like pub fudge shop, like that's all that's here. Alright, so now we're at Ireland's famous cliffs to do some sightseeing and get some very nice photos. Alright, so I am looking rough, but we are currently in Galway for the night, just for the night, not really doing anything, but we're getting food now because I'm always hungry, and we're getting fish and chips. I'm ready to eat. Alright, our food just came. I got fish and chips, and look how amazing it looks. Alright, so we had dinner, and now we're walking around Galway. Nothing's really open, so we're trying to find a souvenir shop, but I had to get gelato because I love gelato. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, sorry about that. Typical Hannah, not ending the vlog. So here I am 3 months later doing it. Ireland was definitely interesting, and it's not how I wanted to go, but I definitely made the best of it. As you saw, our flight was canceled over literally 10 minutes of fog, so we had to go to a completely different airport, and we got to Dublin 6 hours after we were supposed to. So everything was super dark, so we could only see a little bit of stuff. Like there's a castle in Dublin that we were supposed to go see, but by the time we got there, it was closed, so we couldn't even see it. So that kind of sucked. And then I was super tired because I had the whole week off, so I literally traveled from Friday to Sunday the following week, like non-stop traveling. There was like 3 days in that week where I didn't even sleep at all, and that day being one of them, I only got literally like an hour and a half of sleep. So I was just exhausted. I did walk around and I did the walking tour, saw what we could see, and I got dinner. And as I was walking back to the hostel, some guy followed me because I was by myself, and I was like, nope, time to go home, going to the hostel, calling it a night. And then the following day, as you saw, we did like a bus tour. We went to like some sort of like, I'm not entirely sure what it was. It was kind of like a rock field. I think they like theorized that it was a cemetery because as you saw, there was like that little like Stonehenge looking little hut there. And then went to the Cliffs of Moher, which that was super cool, very gorgeous. Harry Potter was filmed there, so it's another Harry Potter place I saw. If you watch my Scotland vlog, you would know I didn't read any of the Harry Potter books or see any of the movies before I got there. Well, I read the first 2 books and saw the first 2 movies like years ago. So I'll have you know, I actually finished the whole series, reading it, and I'm like halfway through in the movies. So I did pretty good. So yeah, Harry Potter was filmed there. I think the 6th book where they're trying to get the Horcruxes. I don't know how to pronounce it, but if you know, you know. And then we went to Galway, and like everything was closed. I'm not even kidding. We couldn't even go to a gift shop. I didn't even get a keychain because everything was closed. So we went to a bar and just hung out. Like I met a couple of girls there, and that were part of the group, and we went to a bar, hung out just for a little while, and we got gelato as you saw there at the end of my vlog. So while I was over studying abroad, I went to 11 other countries besides England, and 8 of those countries I did with a tour group called Somewhere New. And I'll have to say, this one was probably like my least favorite tour. I mean, it was still great. The tour guide was super funny, and like I thoroughly enjoyed it. I just feel like it could have been planned better. I don't know if it's because, you know, it was like off tour season, but literally we didn't even get to see any of Galway, like at all. We got there, I think at like 8, 9 o'clock at night, and we had to leave at like 8 o'clock in the morning. So there's like really no point even going. I decided that she like planned it better, so like maybe we left early, like earlier in the day, so we could at least have like an hour of Galway in the day, because I heard it's gorgeous. So I really didn't get to experience Galway as much as I wanted to. But like I said, I still think the tour group, like, company was amazing. Like, I met so many friends to the tour group. I've loved all my tour guides. Like, in fact, I'm still in contact with one of them. And, like, obviously, the plane cancellation wasn't their fault whatsoever, and they really did make the best of it. Just sucks. But I do feel like there was, like, some things they could change and improve just for the Ireland tour. But I still thoroughly enjoyed Ireland. I would 100% go back just so I could experience Dublin and could experience Galway just a little bit better. So, yeah, that was just kind of, like, my rant and update about this vlog. Just kind of wanted to update you, because I know it's kind of sporadic. I'm definitely gotten better at vlogging as time went on, but like now that I'm watching back at this, I'm like, wow, you suck. In the next vlog, you see me go to the Guinness storehouse, which is where they make the Guinness beer, the big brewery. So look out for that. See you in the next one.